Hey guys, uh, in this video I'll be solving question 5 of this paper, Pure Mathematics 1, Variant 2, February-March 2023. The question reads, a point A that is 7, 2, 7, 12 and B lies on a circle with center negative 2, 5. The line AB has an equation of y equals to negative 2x plus 26. Find the coordinates of B. So we can sketch the circle. Let's sketch the circle. We can come up with a good sketching here. Okay, it's not producing a perfect circle. So let me have the perfect circle. Good. Now in this circle, you find that the coordinate of our center is negative 2, 5. And then you find that you're having a point here, which is A. Okay. So this is just a sketching. We might not know the true points. So let me assume that you're having a point A here. There is 7, 12. And then we are having another point B. We don't know its coordinates. So we can say BXY like that. So being that it's a straight line, it becomes a line segment like that. Now, what happens? We need to get the coordinates of B. If you've been given the equation of a circle, equation of a line, this is the equation of a line. So we can start by getting the equation of a circle, and then we get the points where the circle and the line are intersecting. So without wasting time, let's have the equation of the radius. So radius squared is given by x minus a squared plus, that is y minus b squared. And in fact, this is a general equation of a line, a general equation of a circle. Okay, this is the formula to get the equation of a circle. It's not a general equation of a circle. So we are going to have our radius squared calculated as into bracket. So we'll treat the point on the circumference as xy and the point at the center as AB. So we're going to do 7 minus 2 squared plus that is 12 minus 5 squared. So we'll end up having this one is 7 minus 2 is like 7 plus 2, which is 9. 9 squared is 81, plus 12 minus 5 is 7, and 7 squared is 49. So this one will give us the value of r squared as 81 plus 49, which is 130. So already we have the radius squared. So we can use the general format of the formula to get the radius and come up with an equation. So we can say our radius squared, which is 130. Okay, let me create here a boundary to separate the two working. So 130 equals to, we said we can take an unknown point on the circumference, which is b. So we can have x minus our center, which is negative 2 squared plus into bracket y minus 5. Guys, please understand that negative 2, 5 is this one here. This is negative 2 and this is the 5. Then xy is the coordinate, just the general point on the circumference. It can be any. So we always don't use the values of xy, but we use the variables themselves. So we'll end up having 130 equals to x plus 2 squared, then plus y minus 5 squared. So we can then solve this one simultaneously. We understand that the equation of a line that was provided, it was the equation of a line again. It was y equals to negative 2x plus 26. So where we have y, we can substitute with this value. So we can say that 130 is given by, if we expand this one, you're going to have x squared plus 4x and then plus 4, then plus, you open the bracket, that is the coordinate of y, so negative 2x plus 26 minus 5, then squared. So you'll end up having 130 equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then negative 2x squared, you get positive 4x squared, because you understand negative 2 times negative 2 gives you positive 4. And then plus, this is negative 2x, then times, let me use the dot, times what? 26 minus 5, you get 21. Then this one you times by 2. So you understand 2 times 21 is 42. 42 times 2, you get 84. So you're going to have a negative 84. So instead of writing plus minus 84, you can write minus 84 instead. Then plus 21 squared. Also, this is 84x. Don't forget that this is 84x. Then plus this one is giving you 441. So you'll end up having x squared plus 4x squared is giving you 5x squared. Then 4x minus 84, you're going to get minus 80x. Then plus this is a 4 plus 441, you're getting 445. And then this is equal to 130. So we can actually turn the equation to be 5x squared minus 80x, then plus 445 equals to 130. So you'll end up having 5x squared minus 80x, then plus 445 minus 130 equal to 0. So this one becomes 5x squared minus 80x. If you take 445 minus 130, what are you going to get? So this one gives us 445 minus 130, we are going to have 415. So it's plus 415, we are going to have a 0. So we can actually simplify this by dividing 5 on both sides. You can see the equation is a multiple of 5. So 5 divided by 5, we get 1. 1 times x squared, we get x squared minus 80 divided by 5, we get 16. 16 times x, we get 16x. Then plus 415 divided by 5, you are getting 83. So this one becomes 83 equal to 0. Okay, this is not 415, it should be 315. So there is an error, let's correct that. This is 315. And then we also correct here. So this is 315 divided by 5. We're going to have 63. So this one is going to give us 63 here. So we can get two numbers so that when you multiply them, you get 63, and when you sum them, you get 16. So product should be 63, then sum should be 16. Those numbers are 9 and 7. So we can have, if you're having those numbers as 9 and 7, so what can we do? Product is negative 16, so we take them as negative 9 and negative 7. So we're going to have x squared minus 9x and then minus 7x plus 63 equal to 0. This one is giving us x into x minus 9 minus 7 into x minus 9 equal to 0. Then you'll end up having this is x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 9, you're going to have 0. So this means that if either the two are giving us the product 0, so x minus 7 should be 0, and this is giving us the value of x to be 7, and also the other one is giving us the value of x to be 9. And because we already have 7, so in this case we are going to take x coordinate being 9. So here we will say that our value of x is 9. You can substitute in any of the equation, either the equation of a line or the equation of a circle. So let's have the equation of the line, which was y equals to negative 2x plus 26. So to get our y coordinate, we'll substitute 9 here, and therefore we'll have y equals to negative 2 times 9 plus 26, and this is giving us 8. So the coordinates of A, coordinates of B now would be 9, 8. So that was the solution for question number 5. That was the solution for question number 5. Okay, see you in our next video, whereby I'll be solving question number 6. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and share it to your friend.